Hello everyone, welcome back to House Decor, your little corner for all things cozy, charming, and full of heart. Today, I am so excited to share with you the magic of country inspired cottage decor, a style that brings warmth, simplicity, and timeless beauty right into your home. Imagine soft sunlight streaming through a lace curtain, the gentle scent of fresh flowers, and little handmade touches everywhere you look. That's the essence of a country cottage home, calm, welcoming, and full of personality. In this video, I will take you through some amazing ideas and tips to create your own cozy, countryside inspired home. From choosing the perfect soft colors and mixing floral and gingham patterns to displaying vintage treasures, adding natural textures, and even styling your kitchen and living spaces with love. Every corner of your home can tell a story. Whether you love handmade details, distressed wooden furniture, or soft pastel accents, these ideas will help you make your space feel peaceful, lived in, and oh so charming. So get ready to be inspired. Let's dive into the world of country inspired cottage decor and discover how small touches can make your home feel like a cozy countryside retreat. Country inspired cottage decor tips. Choose soft, calm colors. Use cream, warm white, shades green, light blue, or pale yellow. These colors make the home feel peaceful and sunny. Use wooden furniture. Natural or painted wood furniture brings true country charm. Slightly worn or distressed wood looks even better. Add floral patterns. Floral curtains, cushions, or tablecloths instantly create a cottage feeling. Small flowers work best. Decorate with crochet items. Crochet runners, pillow covers, or doilies add handmade warmth and softness. Use open shelves. Display cups, jars, plates, or small plants on open shelves for a cozy country look. Mix old and simple pieces. Combine vintage items with simple everyday objects. Don't make it look perfect. Add wicker and baskets. Use baskets for stories, decor, or plants. They bring natural texture. Choose cotton and linen fabrics. Avoid shiny materials. Soft cotton and linen feel natural and cottage-like. Decorate with flowers. Fresh flowers, dried flowers, or even artificial soft florals make the home lively. Use vintage-style accessories, old clocks, animal jugs, ceramic bowls, and glass bottles work beautifully. Keep lighting warm. Use warm yellow lights, lamps, or lantern-style lighting for cozy evening. Add lace details, lace curtains, or table mats. Create gentle, romantic cottage vibe. Display simple wall art, botanical prints, countryside scents, or wooden signs look perfect. Don't overcrowd. Country cottage decor loves space. Keep it light and breathable. Use soft rugs. Cotton or woven rugs make rooms feel comfortable and welcoming. Let sunlight in. Use light curtains so natural light fills the home. Create cozy corners. Add a chair, cushion, and a small table near a window or corner. Use handmade decor. DIY items give the home soul and personality. Use seasonal touches. Flowers in spring, light fabrics in summer, warm tones in winter. Keep it warm and lived in. A country cottage home should feel loved, not showroom perfect. Use faded and aged finishes. Furniture and decor look best when slightly worn. Soft scratches and faded paint add real cottage soul. Layer textures gently. Mix wood, cotton, lace, wicker, and ceramic to create a warmth without heaviness. Keep decorations low and simple. Small chairs, short vases, and table pictures feel more cottage-like than tall modern decor. Display everyday items beautifully. Plates, cups, teapots, and bowls can be part of decor, not hidden away. Add soft stripes and checks. Along with florals, use gentle stripes or gingham patterns for a true country feel. Choose rounded shapes, curved furniture, rounded mirrors, and soft edges. Frames feel warmer than sharp lines. Use neutral walls. Light walls allow your decor pieces to shine and keep rooms airy. Add subtle scent elements. Dried lavender, cinnamon sticks, or floral statues enhance the cottage mood. close to nature. Wood, clay, cotton, glass. Avoid plastic when possible. Style trays on tables. Wooden or metal trays with candles, flowers, or jars create cozy centerpieces. Use small mirrors. Vintage style mirrors reflect light and make rooms feel brighter. Avoid glossy finishes. Matte and soft finishes feel more authentic and warm. Add bench seating. A wooden bench near the door or window feels very country cottage. Decorate doors slightly. Hang threads, flowers or fabric bows on doors for charm. Create rhythm, not symmetry. Cottage decor feels natural when not perfectly balanced. Keep decor meaningful, not trendy. Choose what feels comforting rather than fashionable. Let rooms feel collected over time. Don't decorate everything at once. Build slowly. Focus on comfort above all. If it feels cozy, charm, and welcoming, you are doing the right. Let imperfections stay. Chipped paint, uneven textures, and handmade flowers add beauty, don't hide them. Use soft layering on furniture. Add cushions, truss, or fabric runners to chairs and benches. Choose small scale prints. Tiny florals or delicate patterns feel more gorgeous than large, bold designs. Decorate with white ceramics. White cups, bowls, and pitchers create a clean country look. Keep shelves slightly styled. Leave empty space between items so everything can breathe. Add wooden wall hooks, perfect for baskets, aprons, hats, or dried flowers. Use vintage style containers. Tin boxes, animal chairs, or glass canisters work beautifully. Thanks for watching the video.